Hi, this video is from eMiniDayTrader.com, looking at the E-mini S&P Futures Index of the S&P 500, and this is for Tuesday, April the 21st, 2009. This is just a shortened version of what we produce each day for our members at eMiniDayTrader.com. Members' videos usually last about 15 to 20 minutes each day. This one usually about 4 or 5 minutes, just a quick recap. So let's take a look at the market and see what we had. At the close of yesterday, we had mentioned that likely the low that had formed yesterday would be tested, and we can see that the overnight session it was. The market did dip down into our support area and actually opened near that low. The low during the Globex session was pretty well the low that was formed just prior to the RTH, the regular trading hours. So, and then the market started to rally, and it did so in a pretty strong fashion today. And the support area down all the way to 825 that we were mentioning, the market did dip a couple of points below there, but got rejected pretty strongly out of there, and then of course had this good rally today. So that's a pretty bullish development. Good volume today. So we think likely the market is going to continue to move higher. It may take a bit of a pause first, but unless of course some news is released that the market doesn't like, and when we're taking a look at that potential news, there's really nothing scheduled on the agenda tomorrow. Of course on Thursday we have the regular initial claims and some home sales information also on Thursday and Friday, which could move the market. But this is a pretty bullish development, and we're looking for temporary support, at least in around this 44 area, possibly in the 39 area. And of course our initial resistance is up here at today's high. So these are some of the areas that we're looking at for reference areas going into tomorrow. As far as the trades that we had today, the actual trades that set up and triggered weren't that great. They were okay. We had several break-even trades, and we got started using this first balance area right here to get long. Did hit our first objective, but then come back down and stop us out at break-even. Then we had another couple attempts to see if the market was really going to try and hold onto this area in here. So we had a couple of attempts to get short, one here and then one a little bit later. This one was, we really did feel that this one was worth taking. However, this one here, by the way, both of these were stopped at a break-even for the full position, both of these guys here. So they didn't really do anything for us. But the second one here was a little bit more doubtful as far as us trying to actually make something work as far as that was concerned. We didn't have another trade until this deceleration in here, which got us short, and so we're able to take part in this down move right here. And a little bit later on, we then had an opportunity to get long in here, which we used. Once again, unfortunately, it was a break-even trade. So not a lot of, we just kind of didn't get the follow-through on the actual signals that were developed today. Although it's not really a day that hurt us, but we really didn't capitalize on the market as much as we would have liked to. Now, those of our traders who had been following the development of the structure and the phases of the auction cycle did very well, because this deceleration bar you can see here was later rejected and then acted as excellent support. So a lot of our traders ended up by getting long right in here and were able to participate in that final up move. So that worked out well. It just kind of depends on how advanced our trader our member was today as to how well he did. Otherwise, just taking the trades from strictly a sort of a black and white version, it really wasn't all that great a day. But this is what we're looking at going into tomorrow, and we do think that the market is the buying that occurred today was stronger than the sell-off yesterday. That's kind of how we're looking at it, and so we do expect some follow-through. We do expect the high from today to be taken out at some point, either overnight or tomorrow, and then quite possibly moving up into the above Monday's high, which is approximately 852. So that's really what we're looking at for the market, to see if this up move can continue coming into tomorrow with some support in around the 39.40 area, and then to see if it can test up above today's high around 49 and then up to 53. So that's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for for April the 21st. Of course, our website is right here, eMiniDayTrader.com. We'd love to hear from you, or just send us an email at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. Thanks, and that's it for Tuesday, April 21st, 2009.